I'm not happy with you. Do you want to go to jail? You're begging for it. You're begging for jail. You're on probation. All I asked you to do was no drugs, no alcohol, and have the device. All you're doing is smoking dope, and you're skipping your device.
Right away, this judge isn't playing games. Probation is not a suggestion, it's a legal contract. No drugs, no alcohol, and compliance with monitoring devices are the bare minimum. When a judge lists violations this clearly, it's usually the last warning before jail time. What do you think? Does this sound like someone who still deserves leniency?
I have something to tell you. I take full accountability of that. Me hanging around with the wrong people. And the device, I just had a baby,
This is a crucial moment. The defendant is explaining life circumstances, new baby, bad influences, but legally, explanations don't erase failed drug tests. Judges hear these stories every day, and what matters most is compliance, not intention. Should courts weigh personal hardship more heavily, or is accountability the only fair standard?
I'm not trying to put that in excuse. I know it's my fault not going, but life is really catching up to me. I'm not the same person I came here as when you first met me. I went in there and everything changed. I came out. I've been trying to get everything straight, and
Really?
I tried trying. But
You tested positive for dope last month.
yes, yeah, I understand. That's my fault. Hanging around the wrong people.
I go test you right now, what's going to happen?
The same.
He goes with you. I'm keeping you. No, that's it. How many chances you want? 15? Goes with you. Hey.
I've got a bond violation. Juan Delgado Ortiz.
Is there an Ortiz?
What's the name?
This is the bond violation that Don Lee
Delgado
has.
Ortiz.
Okay. Juan Delgado Ortiz.
There's another. Yes, that's one.
There's a BBR. It was filed yesterday.
What was the last name, Ravel?
The last name on it was Delgado Ortiz.
Okay,
Got two last names.
that's it.
He is telling to install a device. Did he get it?
Ooh. Mr. Ortiz, come up. Delgado,
I think he installed it.
Did he
get
it?
ready. Get ready. You were supposed to have a device installed. Did you install it?
It is installed, it's just a lockout. It's been a lockout.
If I may explain, Judge.
Please.
He had it in a vehicle, and then that vehicle broke down. He got a new vehicle. You need title and license plates and all that. And so it's installed in a vehicle that doesn't run.
That he's using another car?
He's got another car.
Here's where things collapse. Driving without an interlock device while ordered to have one isn't a technical mistake. It's a direct violation. From a legal standpoint, the judge's question, "What am I supposed to do with you?" is rhetorical. At this stage, custody becomes the default option.
And he's using another car that doesn't have a device on it?
He did communicate with probation. They did get him a slip to change it, but to change the device out. But there was, like I say, there's a title issue or an issue with him getting the title.
I hope to God that you've not been driving. You stay with me, dude. What am I supposed to do? Let you go? Not only do you not have a device, but you're also driving a car that doesn't have an interlock on it. Mr. Delgado, what am I supposed to do with you? Tell me. Goes with you. I don't know, Donnelly,
Which makes sense with the title issue.
he got pulled over and it didn't have an interlock.
He got pulled over because the license plate did not have a record back, which makes sense with the no title issue.
They give him a ticket.
There is a case number. I'll call the officer and see what exactly they gave him. But there is a case number. It looks like a Class C case number.
Sorry, Donnelly.
It's all right. No, I'll get it, Judge.
It is what it is. I'll set it at 5,001. No.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there. You know, if he bonds out, or when, not if, but when he bonds out, just come back and then we'll have to do more bond conditions. Hopefully, we've got the message across to him now, you know?
All right, thanks, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Rodriguez. Mr. Rodriguez, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir. Okay.
10/2024, officers inspection when assault in progress. Officer met with a complainant. Complainant and defendant had been dating for 10 months. Complainant and defendant were sitting in her.
This is a textbook protective order warning. No contact means zero contact, even if the other person reaches out first. Judges emphasize this because violations often happen accidentally, and those accidents still land people back in jail. Would you trust yourself to follow these rules perfectly under pressure?
In the complainant's car and got into an argument where the now defendant grabbed the complainant's phone and tried to leave the car, but complainant was able to get the phone back. While calling 911, the complainant felt defendant hit her on the forehead. Officer noted a red scratch on the complainant's forehead. And due to the injuries observed on the complainant on the upper portion of her right eyelid, right below her right eyebrow, the now defendant's been charged with assault family member.
Okay. Mr. Rodriguez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do we know if she wants to have contact with him? Don't know.
No answer.
Until I know that she wants to have contact with you, Mr. Rodriguez, I'm ordering you not to have any contact with her. I'm also ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons. Don't violate these conditions, otherwise I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand? A protective order was issued on the 11th of this month. Get to know it, because if you violate the protective order, the state can and will file a violation of a protective order, and that's the capital murder of misdemeanor. You understand? Okay.
I have a job that I have to do, and there's a restriction there from 7 to 7, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. I was wondering if that could be uplifted for work.
So you're telling me that the magistrate gave you a curfew?
Oh, it does look like 7 to 7 for curfew.
I wonder why. So this is what the magistrate, why? Motion for bond conditions and MOUP. DWI, April 10th, 2024 at 1943 hours, complaining witness, yada, yada, Martinez, defendant and complaining witness in a 10-month relationship. Complaining witness reports that there's recurring violence.
Notice the balance here. The judge removes the curfew, but immediately tightens the warning. This is conditional mercy. Courts often give one final chance, but once a judge says, "Don't make me regret this," that grace period is officially on borrowed time.
This is not the first assault. In this instance, defendant and complaining witness were talking because defendant believed that complaining witness was cheating on him. They call suspected person, more arguing, fight over phone, etc. Complaining witness calls police. During call, defendant assaults complaining witness by striking her in the forehead. She felt pain from the impact. Officer was able to observe injuries, grant PR bond with conditions. Did they give you a GPS monitor? I guess that's my next question.
No, Judge. No EM or GPS.
I will take curfew off. I don't want any issues. Don't force my hand putting you in jail. You will not get another chance from me. This is the only warning that you're going to get. Do not have contact with this person. If she contacts you, don't answer the phone. If she texts you, do not reply. If she comes to your house, don't answer the door. It's your butt that's going to go into jail if something happens. You understand? Don't make me regret this.
Oh,
All right. Tell me, what are you gonna do about a lawyer?
I was wondering if I could get a counterpoint lawyer.
You work, you said. What do you do for a living?
I need sorry.
What do you do for a living?
I work for a transportation company, Secure Freight.
And how much money do you make a month?
After child support and everything, about 1,500.
You pay child support?
Yes.
How much do you pay?
About 1,000 more.
Fantastic. I love it that you pay child support, and I'll every day give you a lawyer. Good job for doing it. They need money, and I'm glad that you do it. No, you know what? I already have one on file. Good job. Keep up the good work. That's wonderful. So will you reach out to the MAC for Mr. Rodriguez, please? And then, so what's going to happen now is I'm going to have you go to Ramona, sign a reset. After that, I'm going to have you take your seat in the jury box while I get your bond conditions. I'm going to have you sign it, and then I'll have you talk to a lawyer here momentarily. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions up, okay?
Thanks.
And you're going to take the first one?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what it is. They state you describe your service.
Good morning, Judge. Hi. Good morning. Thank you.
Estrada, Camargo.
Thanks.
Tell me when you're ready, Dave.
Todo en español, tiene que practicar todo en
Yes,
español, así que te voy a traducir todo.
Are you Mr. Estrada Camargo?
El señor Estrada Marco, yes,
Sir, you were charged with theft.
so de robo,
You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
caso de todo.
We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer,
Y no puede
a lawyer
traer,
will be appointed to represent you, sir.
On March 19th, this defendant walked into Best Buy.
usted entró a Best Buy.
This is a harsh reality many defendants don't fully understand. Even a low-level theft charge can trigger immigration detention that lasts months or longer. The judge is being blunt because jail time here isn't just punishment. It can permanently change someone's life. Should immigration consequences factor into bond decisions, or is the law the law?